everyone. This is another Let's Play Mother 3 Dinami thing. And if you have not subscribed yet, you better do it. Anyways, let us get this started. No problem here. No problem here. Again, there's gotta be a problem before he can do something. He can't give a shit unless if there's actually something seriously going on. Fire? No problem here. You gotta do something quick. Oh wait, that is the wrong voice for Thomas. You've got to do something quick, Kushio! It's the forest! The forest! The forest! The forest is on fire! Jeez! Who would lock the door in a village as peaceful as ours? Kushio! It's clearly not peaceful if there's fire everywhere right now. Burglar! Ah! The doorknob! Why'd you have to come off at a time like this? Because an idiot was pulling on it. Woof woof! Oh, doorknob! I mean Kushio! This is no time to be dozing off! There's a huge fire in the Sunshine Forest! Well, it's just living up to its name. It's trying to become just like our fair son. Bad time! Times like this call for a reckless nice guys like you! Because reckless and nice go together real good. Please come, Kushio! Please? No. Then I'll just have to drag you there myself! Like to see you try. Thomas joined your party. This is how you plan to drag me there. I'll follow behind you! What? What's so wrong with that? I happen to like following behind people. Whatever. You can follow behind me if you want. Woof. He's hiding something inside his doghouse. Kushio got a stick. Hey, Kushio! That stick should make a good weapon in case anything happens. Be sure to equip it first, though. Just holding on to it will make it useful as a caramel? Caramel? Okay. Tesmili gerberas are Jade's favorite flower after sunflowers. Sunflowers! It's really noisy out. You're supposed to be quiet at night. I'm a good dog, so I'm being quiet. Whatever. Okay. That was not right, but apparently it was, okay? Okay. Wait. Go back. Equipped. Weapon. Stick. Body. Body. Alright. Let's do this. Nothing up here, is there? Oh, sheep. Hello, sheep. The sheep are milling about restlessly. I would too if the entire friggin' forest was on fire. This man is following me to the T. Oh, you have beautiful eyes. Wow, this guy just looks like he could not give more of a fuck. Ah, Kushio! The whole sky north of here is pitch black with smoke. Hey, glasses child. The sunshine fire, it's on forest. No, wait. The funshine forest is on tire. Yeah. He good at the grammar. Oh, hello, sunglasses man. If you need something from the map-loving and map-owning Mapson, it must be a map, yes? Please feel free to take one with you. Probably a good thing I talked to him then. You're worried about Lighter's shack deep inside the Sunshine Forest, yes? I've marked that area on the map for you. Please hurry and see if he needs help. Oh, whoops, silly me. Forget to tell you how to check the map, didn't I? To check the map, you need to... How do I put this? Fill your right index finger with a wish. Or strength. Okay. To put it more bluntly, I guess do something R button-ish. Oh! It worked! Wait. Okay, so we're going to a house. Alright, thank you for teaching me about the R button, stranger. Hey, Froggy! You're a save point. I'm gonna disobey and not save at you. Hey, Farmer Bob. Cuscio. The Sunshine Forest, which is to the west of Crossroad and past the Prayer Sanctuary, is apparently on fire like crazy. Oh, sorry, that sounded so explanation-like. Thank God he stopped talking. His voice was hard to do. Mr. Cuscio, if you lose your way, be sure to check signposts and message boards. I'm telling you this out of the kindness of my heart, just so you know. Okay. South, Tasmilly Village. West, Sunshine Forest. North, Sunset Cemetery. West. I hope I have my... This is not west, is it? Okay, this is west. I learned my directions in elementary school. Hey, it's a blonde girl. Even if you go on ahead, I just know I'd be no help at all. What should I do? Nothing at all. These guys look shady. Bet you this guy's pissing on this tree. Whisk, gas, whisk. Well, that's a weird way to take a piss on a tree. He must have really had to go. No, what are you doing? Quit pushing that! Quit it! Seriously, stop! Keep pushing that and I'll be sick! Why do you keep pushing it? See, you did it again! If you keep this up, I'm gonna... Just so you know, if something bad happens to me, it's all because you kept pressing that stupid thing! The flames started coming our way, so we ran here with all our might. But old Lighter is a little fuel and still stuck in the forest. Okay. It's a bench. A table? Or possibly a bed. Or a table bench bed. Chirp chirp. Sparrow advice. Got a minute? If you ever... Well, he's gonna tell me anyways. If you're ever out of strength or find yourself poisoned, a dip in the hot spring is the best way for your... what ails you. but it's important that you stay in the water for a while for it to be effective. And actually, there's a nice hot spring right inside the Sunshine Forest, too. Bet you it's really hot now. Now to end this with a sparrow-like chirp chirp. What do we got here? Yin and yang, and a frog. May the forest and the people and the animals and I all have happiness. Oh, Kushio, good to see you here. I think it's only proper to offer a prayer here before going into the forest. Nah. Whatever. Please answer with a calm mind. Tell me your name. Yes, the name of the person playing this game. Well, I guess this is my cue. Yay! I'm in the game! Understood, Dinami. Your name is Dinami, correct? Is this changing his name? Whatever, he'll still be Kushio. I can change it back later if I screwed up. Okay then, please continue to enjoy the game. After I count down from 3, you'll forget you were ever asked this question. 3, 2, 1. Have you forgotten? Sure. Don't tell on me. I don't want him to wipe my memory. Kushio, thank heavens you're here. I think the lighter and fuel are still stuck inside the forest. Don't worry, I'll hold back these rubberneckers. You just hurry and find them. You racist. My mother happens to have a rubber neck. Oh, it's you, Kushio. I thought I saw someone as manly as me walking this way. With that rainbow hat, I'm sure you're very manly. The smoke is with my sensitive throat. I can't continue any further. So you have this cookie instead. Let this slightly unclean and not very tasty cookie be of use. Please, let it be of use. Kushio got a nut cookie. I hate nuts! Oh, bat! Bats are evil? Mr. Batty snuck up from behind. Mr. Batty became friendly and affectionate. Kushio dodged quickly. Mr. Batty? Something you want to tell me? He digs me. Thomas is running around restlessly. Yep, he's useful. Mr. Batty sized up the situation. Mr. Batty felt a little strange. Thomas is acting flustered. Mr. Batty attacks. Kushio attacks. Mr. Batty became tame. You won. Kushio earned 20 experience points. What the heck? Well, after that little blinking sensation, guess it's time that we end it. I am Dinami Wolf. This has been Dinami's Gaming. Like, comment, subscribe. Same rules from the last episode apply. Let's end this.